everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is PJ and I upload... Oh, my shoulder just cracked. Oh my god. Today's video is going to be a review on this primer here. I did put it on my Instagram that I was going to do a review and finally getting around to it. So it's called the Essence You Better Work Gym Proof Primer. And I was in Priceline buying like those disposable mascara ones, spoolies for like clients. Went to the makeup section and I saw this and Gym Proof Primer really caught my attention. Not for the fact that I wear makeup to the gym, but just for the fact that they've made something that can actually like claim to like keep your makeup on. Even if you don't wear makeup to the gym, if this does end up working, it would be great for like clubbing and stuff, because all the time when I go clubbing, this part here like always like melts off if it's really, really hot in the club. Basically, it says it's sweat proof, SPF 20, instant blur effect. I'm loving everything that this is throwing out there and I'm keen to try it. I did buy this from Priceline, but I can't find it online, so I don't know how much it was from Priceline. I can't remember. But in Target in Australia, it says it's $7. So it doesn't claim to make your makeup last for like a period of time. It just says to look good while you work out, this sweat-proof formula to last during sporting activities, and protects the skin with SPF 20. Can also reduce pores, conceals skin irregularities, and makes unevenness disappear. So I am going to the gym after I film this. I'm just going to do like a light makeup, nothing like as much as I usually do. Put this underneath, see how we go at the gym. I will film a little bit at the gym just to show you like how sweaty and stuff I get. Fingers crossed this works, because I'm pretty keen. One thing I hate about like cheaper priced makeup is they always put like stupid sticky tape or just something that's like hard to actually get the product open. Like, so I'm assuming you just apply this like a normal primer, which is what I'm gonna do. Oh, it's like green. I did not expect that. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply this all over my face. Oh my god, it literally feels like a sunscreen. I think I've used too much. It smells a bit like sunscreen as well, but like really faint. I feel like my overall skin texture does look quite smooth. It hasn't filled in my pores, but it definitely has blurred them a little bit. My skin feels really smooth, really hydrated. It doesn't feel greasy at all. It's definitely not like a Smashbox pore minimizing primer, so don't think it's going to do that. I'm going to apply the rest of my makeup and see how I like it afterwards.
I guess you're back. Are you going to tell me where you went? All the messages I sent with no reply. It's like that. You're just gonna walk into my room. I hate how you assume I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the sorrows in your brain, 'cause I know you're on the run. I'll take the pleasure and the pain, your secrets to my grave, 'cause you are the only one. 'Cause you are the only one. The only one. 'Cause you are the only one. The only one.
Okay, so I've just finished off my makeup. I did like a really quick, simple, everyday look. I barely did like any eyeshadow just because I really can't be bothered. I'm gonna go to the gym now. With the primer, I have nothing to say. Wasn't good, wasn't bad. My skin does look quite smooth. I'm not quite sure if that's the primer or not, but yeah, I'm gonna go to the gym and hopefully not sweat this all off. So sorry if the quality's shit because it's on my phone, but this is what my skin looks like in natural lighting. I honestly think it looks really good. My eyebrows look a little bit thick right now. But yeah, I'm excited to see how it goes at the gym. So I just finished up and this is what my face looks like so far. And I did sweat. I don't know if you can see in the gym, like I did sweat here and here, which is why I'm a little bit shiny, but honestly, it's really not bad. I think it looks really good actually. I'm curious to see what it looks like on like really hot days, because today's like really not that hot. But yeah, I'm actually like really happy with it. Can't get over how big my eyebrows are though, like just went way overboard. So I might just end the video here because I actually have nothing else to say about it. I definitely do think I am going to try it again. But yeah, first impressions, I really liked it. If you guys like this video, please let me know down below and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. I just got slugs on my face.
AEST.